Welcome to the Mason & Main Display Gallery, situated on Merrylands Road in the heart of Merrylands. Mason & Main is being developed and built by local developers Coronation Property, a privately owned and operated Australian property firm with decades of experience. Coronation is well known for its past projects, the Paper Mill Precinct and the Paper Mill Food, which have significantly enriched the communities in which they operate. Designed by an award-winning team led by internationally acclaimed architects Woods Bagot, Mason & Main is set to become the new town centre of Merrylands. The carefully designed building incorporates a market-style laneway that will feature cafes, boutiques and specialty stores to be enjoyed by all. Residents at Mason & Main will also enjoy access to private amenities, including a resort-style pool, a private gym and large rooftop gardens that feature outdoor dining and barbecue facilities. Living here means having the best retail, entertainment and wellness destinations on your doorstep. The site's central address also means you'll be living less than a 1-minute walk away from Stocklands, Merrylands, 5 minutes from the Merrylands train station and less than 6 minutes drive from Parramatta CBD. As impressive as the amenities and the location of this unrivaled development are, it's the residences themselves which offer a new benchmark in design and luxury apartment living in Merrylands. Each residence comes with a choice of a light or dark toned colour scheme. The finishes and materials have been thoughtfully considered to create a feeling of luxury in every aspect of the design. Walking around our 1-bedroom multi-purpose room display apartment, you can see the light colour scheme in the timber flooring, quality finishes and integrated joinery that is showcased throughout. It's clear that these apartments feature a clean palette and a range of domestic inclusions that are not common in off-the-plan apartments. The light scheme's beautiful whitewashed oak joinery is featured in the discreet cupboards and drawers designed to maximise space and provide ample storage. The quality design extends into the kitchen with beautiful European appliances including integrated fridge, dishwasher, double sink and a large stovetop, while the Caesar stone featured on the benchtop and splashback creates a solid and seamless surface. Flowing on from the kitchen, the large living space opens up the home to create a spacious central living area. Featuring the light joinery in the built-in shelving, this ties the visual appeal of the entire residence together with effortless simplicity. All bedrooms include generous floor-to-ceiling robes, complemented by high-quality steel handles for a designer finish. Cushioned wool carpet provides warmth to the bedrooms, whilst large windows let natural light filter inside. A unique feature of the 1-bedroom plus multi-purpose room apartments are the multi-purpose rooms themselves, designed to create a room that will naturally grow with you and adapt to your ever-changing lifestyle. With the choice of custom joinery, including a built-in desk and Murphy bed, these rooms can easily transform into a nursery, 3rd bedroom, playroom, home office, or workspace. The bathrooms feature intelligent design with built-in shelves running from the Caesar stone vanity to the shower, matte finish splashback tiles, elegant lighting, and sophisticated sink mixes. Internal laundries are discreetly hidden away and feature washing machine, separate sink, benchtop, and further storage. The large outdoor balconies are perfect for entertaining and feature a unique brick detail wall that allows light to flow through and form a privacy screen. These apartments will boast stunning views of the surrounding area all the way to Sydney's CBD skyline. Great time and care has been taken by Coronation to ensure the quality of these homes is exceptional throughout, offering the best for residents at Mason & Main.